how to add guidelines for your bot in BotSonic. So in order to do that, just head over right here to our guidelines and you can see in here. So you can start with adding a guideline and a guideline will be showed here and you can fine tune your bot using this generated responses. So let's click on this add new right here and then you can put in here a title. So for example, let's put in here greeting and then you can choose in here the tone. So for example, you can maintain a friendly and approachable tone. You could actually just use the pre-made template for this one and you can also see in here the phrase as well as the format as well as the standardized support and others. So for this one, make sure to actually just edit it out. For example, let's put in here the tone. So let's say something like be friendly and empathize. So let's say something like that. And then from in there, you can head over and then go right here to the phrases and then just add another guideline if you want. So just head over and then just choose and click on the save right here in order to save the guideline that you have added. So that's how you add guidelines for your bot in BotSonic. Hope we helped.